Welcome back to our channel. Today the MG Select Series 2025 automotive industry in India is buzzing with excitement as MG Motor, in collaboration with JSW Group, unveils its premium luxury car lineup under the new brand, MG Select Series. Slated for launch in early 2025, this series is set to redefine the standards of luxury and performance. Here's why this announcement is making waves and what car enthusiasts can look forward to. The MG Select Series marks a significant milestone for MG Motor India. It is designed to cater to the premium segment with a focus on cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and exceptional performance. This series reflects MG's commitment to meeting the evolving demands of Indian customers, especially those seeking a blend of luxury and sustainability. The MG Select lineup promises to offer features that rival global luxury brands. Here's what sets it apart. Sustainable mobility. The series will include electric vehicles, EVs, hybrids, and plug-in hybrids, emphasizing MG's vision for a greener future. State-of-the-art technology. Expect advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, smart connectivity, and AI-powered features to enhance the driving experience. Sophisticated design, with sleek aesthetics and premium interiors, the MG Select Series aims to deliver unmatched luxury. The first car from the MG Select Series is set to debut in March 2025. While details remain under wraps, industry insiders anticipate it to be a high-performance sedan or SUV, designed to compete with global luxury giants. The car will likely showcase a mix of bold design and futuristic technology, appealing to a wide audience. India's automotive market is rapidly evolving, with consumers increasingly prioritizing sustainability, technology, and luxury. The MG Select Series is poised to tap into this demand, offering a unique value proposition that combines eco-friendly solutions with high-end features. Although pricing details are yet to be revealed, MG has hinted that the Select Series will offer competitive pricing for its class, making luxury more accessible to Indian customers. The initial models will likely be available in major metropolitan cities, followed by a nationwide rollout. The MG Select Series 2025 represents a bold step forward for MG Motor in India. By introducing a lineup that blends luxury, innovation, and sustainability, MG is not just keeping pace with global trends but also setting new benchmarks in the Indian automotive market. Car enthusiasts and luxury seekers, mark your calendars for March 2025 as this is one launch you won't want to miss. For more updates and detailed reviews on the MG Select Series and other upcoming cars, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to let us know your thoughts on this exciting new series.